Okay, here we have what we have. That's my speedometer. It needs to be put back together. I sort of almost accidentally wound up buying another one, which is a little bit partially put together. I bought this one when my other one was stuck, and then realized that I was able to get my other one unstuck. So it probably doesn't hurt to have that to look at while I put this one back together. So I think what I'm going to do is spread me a piece of paper out here on the table and make me up a workspace there and get with it.